Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 38. In homes, electrical appliances and lamps are connected in parallel because A. Less current will be used, B. Less voltage will be used, C. Parallel connection does not heat up the wires, D. Series connection uses high voltage. So I asked for the reason why in homes, electrical appliances and lamps are usually connected in a parallel connection system. Now the major reason for this is because if they are connected in series, so series connection use high voltage. This is actually the reason why the appliances are connected in parallel. Now this is because when they are connected in series, the effective voltage in a series connection is the sum of the voltage of the individual appliances. So in a series connection, the effective voltage or the total voltage is the sum of the individual voltages of the appliances. But for a parallel connection, the effective voltage is not the sum of all the appliances. So definitely for a series connection, the voltage will be higher than for when you have a parallel connection. So series connection uses high voltage, option D, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.